Hello Fly Babies, it's me, your FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Monday and we have a 3-layer cake. The first thing we're going to do is our routines. There are 5 of them. The first routine is your morning routine, which you're familiar with. If not, please go back and watch how to do the FlyLady system for newbies. The second one is your laundry routine. The third is your paper routine, if you still have paper clutter. The fourth is your after dinner routine. And the fifth is your before bed routine, which we're going to focus on this summer. Okay, so the second layer of the 3-layer cake, okay, you've got routines, is the basic weekly plan. Today's basic weekly plan is the weekly home blessing hour. You can choose to do 2 things. You can do it all in 1 hour and get it done for the week, or you can split it up over 5 or 6 days. If you split it up over 6 days, it's 10 minutes a day. One of the days will be Saturday, which is typically a free day for you, and one of the days will be Tuesday, which is also your free day. So that's a choice you make. You may choose to delegate to anyone who is 9 or older that you feel is capable of doing the job, because it does not require perfection and it is not a deep clean. It is a very light blessing, 10 minutes in each of the 6 areas. So if you don't know what that is, please watch my FlyLady for newbies on the home page, or you can go watch the weekly home maintenance hour video. Okay, the third part of our 3-layer cake is going to be our zone. The zone we're in today is zone 3, the bathroom and 1 other room. So what we're going to do today is work in our bathroom that is not our master bath, but it is the main bath in the house. Now, if you are doing the weekly home blessing hour every week, that floor is getting mopped because it's small generally. The sink and the toilet are getting wiped out and swished every single day. And after you bathe, the tub or shower is being wiped out. If you haven't been wiping out the tub or shower, perhaps you want to clean that. You may have other things that you want to do in the bathroom. For example, clean up under the sink, under the cupboard under the sink, or the drawers, or the medicine cabinet, or the linen closet. Maybe you want to wash the throw rugs in that room, or the bath mats. There's different things you can choose to do in that room. Clean the window and the windowsill and the blinds, clean the vent. There's things you can do, but you're only going to do a maximum of 4 things in that room. And if you have an other room that needs to be handled as well, these are all the other rooms that are not addressed in the zones. It's things like the office, the laundry room, the garage, the playroom, the family room. Any room that, the family room, how about a formal living room if you have a family room? A room that's not being used a lot. And it's not a place where people gather too much. That's the room, the craft room, the baby's room. All right, so you might choose one of those rooms and the bathroom. But that doesn't mean you're going to be doing 4 things in the bathroom and 4 things in that other room. You're going to do one or the other. So if you have a total of 4 things, maybe you choose to do 1 in the bathroom and 3 in your other room. It will eventually get deep cleaned, don't worry. Or if you haven't decluttered in any of these rooms, instead of doing 4 things, you'll be doing 4 declutters of 15 minutes. All right, that's it for today. That's all you're going to do. If you're working, you're going to do your routine in the morning, go to work, come back, do your laundry, your paper, cook dinner. While dinner is simmering, take care of the zone. Hopefully you have delegated the 10-minute weekly home blessing hour. If not, that's something you're also going to do before dinner. After dinner, you're going to do your after dinner routine and your before bed routine. If you're staying home, you're going to do your morning routine, laundry, paper, those 3 things early. Then you're going to do your weekly home blessing hour, and then you're going to work in your zone, the bathroom and 1 other room, one or the other. All right, that's it for today. Make sure you pick out 4 things to do in those 2 rooms. And at the end of the day, I want you to always remember that you are beautiful. Bye.